Today is the 13th of June and I'm going on my very first ride after the second lockdown and I'm so excited for it. I needed this really badly. So today's ride again is with my riding club KRRC and we are going to a stone quarry to do some off-roading. Let's see how it works out for us. Keeping some safety precautions in mind, we are just 5 riders today, and after meeting up with the guys after a very long time, we are off to the location, which is a stone quarry somewhere in Wagholi. The location is discovered by one of the members of the club, Sunil Tambe, and he is leading today's ride to the location. As you can see, we are somewhere in the interiors of Wagholi and we are on a completely dirt trail. Actually, while riding, I was really hoping that there would be some rain, but I don't know if we'll get rain today. The skies look clear and it's fairly sunny, but let's hope we get some rain. After a bit of prospecting, we have found an interesting patch full of large stones, and here's Vikram, who's one of the expert off-roaders of the group, attempting to go through this patch, and after him a few of us will go through it and see how well we do. Phew, the last part was definitely something interesting and took a lot of concentration and a lot of effort to go through there safely. And now we're just heading down to a little bit of water wading situation which is there on the right hand side. Let's see how that goes. That was definitely fun, and now that we are done goofing off, we are moving off to another trail that will take us through the interior routes again of Wagholi towards a riverside temple that's there, and again once again Sunil Tambe is leading the way. Tekdi, and we took a brief respite on it, and now that we're done taking a short food break and chill out break, we are off again. Now we are moving towards a so-called riverside, and a small temple is also there on a hill right near the river, so we are going to that location now. So this is the takeaway that you can get from this video, is that always you should carry some repair level material like tape, zip ties or something like that. Always carry your tool and quick fix sort of a box with you, as it can help you at any point of time. As you just saw, the sole of my riding boot came off, and if Imran did not have that tape, I think I would not have been able to continue the ride further. But thanks to his quick fix toolkit that he carries, I was able to save my soul, so to speak, and carry on with the ride. So always keep your toolkit with you. Preferably, it should have a puncture kit. It should have an air compressor, some zip ties. Both plastic and metal would be nice to have, because in some cases, if you're trying to zip tie something that is very hot on your bike, then the plastic one will not be useful. And as you saw, some electrical tape would be very good as well. So here's a picture of the guys who I was riding with on this day. From left to right, it's Vikram, Imran, Sunil, and Ravinder, who's also known as Singh on Himalayan on Instagram. You can follow his account to check out some awesome photos of his grey colored Himalayan. And now I'm on my way back home. It was definitely an interesting day. Lots of fun stuff, lots of blowing off some steam, especially that water uh, bit where we are trying to do some burnouts and all of that stuff. Interesting day, really much needed TLC for the rider in me. And if you have any questions about what you've seen in the video, questions about the KTM 390 Adventure, its off-roading capabilities, some mods that I've put on the bike that makes it comfortable for me as an extremely tall rider. I hope you know that, as the name of the channel suggests, I'm very tall. I'm 6'4", and a few mods were required to make this bike very comfortable as it is right now for me. So if you have any questions about the bike, mods, the location, or off-roading in general, go ahead and ask them to me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching, and if you like the video, do subscribe and like the video as well. It's free for you guys to help out, and it's a great source of encouragement for us to keep producing content like this. So once again, thanks, stay safe, and hope you enjoyed the video.